Kate, I plan to go traveling on summer vacation. Do you have any places to recommend? Kate, I plan to go traveling on summer vacation. Do you have any places to recommend?
凯特，我暑假打算去旅游，你有什么好地方推荐吗？凯特，我暑假打算去旅游，你有什么好地方推荐吗？
Do you want to travel at home or going abroad? Do you want to travel at home or going abroad?
你想在国内还是去国外？你想在国内还是去国外？
Just at home. Just at home.
就国内。就国内。
Okay, Guilin is a good place in Guangxi province. Okay, Guilin is a good place in Guangxi province.
好，那就广西桂林吧。好，那就广西桂林吧。
Can you say something about it? Can you say something about it?
能说说那的情况吗？能说说那的情况吗？
No problem. Situated in the northeast of Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region, Guilin has always been famous for its scenery and culture. Landscape of Guilin at sunset is one of the most breathtaking sights in China. No problem. Situated in the northeast of Guangxi Zhuang Autonomous Region, Guilin has always been famous for its scenery and culture. Landscape of Guilin at sunset is one of the most breathtaking sights in China.
没问题，桂林位于广西壮族自治区东北部，它以其风景和文化而出名。黄昏时候的桂林风景更是中国闻名风景之一。没问题，桂林位于广西壮族自治区东北部，它以其风景和文化而出名。黄昏时候的桂林风景更是中国闻名风景之一。
It sounds wonderful, I can't help going there at once. It sounds wonderful, I can't help going there at once.
听起来真棒，我恨不得马上去那里。听起来真棒，我恨不得马上去那里。